Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. I have missed you guys for Mail Haul Monday because last week I was not able to get that video up, so we have a little bit of overflow this week. This week is probably going to be the week of hauls. I have been going absolutely crazy on buying stuff. As you guys know, the VIB sale is going on right now, so you're getting a discount at Sephora. I will have a huge haul coming up probably on Wednesday, so just be ready for that because I went a little ham. And then also, since we missed last week's Mail Haul Monday, I have more packages to show you guys, which I'm very, very excited to go through. So I'll make this intro short and sweet because I feel like we're going to be here for a while. Grab a snack and a drink. Short and sweet. Okay, anyways. If you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you here on my channel. I do post 3 times a week, so Wednesdays, Fridays, and mail hauls on Mondays. And then make sure you click that bell notification so you are notified as soon as my videos go live. I'm excited to unbox all these packages. I've been very good not opening them. I've had them like pushed under my desk, trying to hide from the company that I've had. That way they don't see that my beauty room's normally a wreck. So I'm excited to unbox these. So let's get started. Okay, well, what do we want to start with? I see a Nars package. Okay, so this is from Nars. Let me grab my scissors. There they are. Ooh, okay, so here's what it looks like when you first open it up. So it says Nars. Ooh, Nars CLIMAX. It says Nars introduces the most anticipated launch of the year. CLIMAX MASCARA. Okay, let's see what this, oh my gosh, is this lighting up? No, I just cannot see because I don't have my glasses on. I'm like, oh my gosh, what is this? What is this anyways? Ugh. Ooh. Okay, ooh. Okay, so this kind of like flopped out when I went to open it. So here is what the little packaging looks like. Oh, this is going to be so cute in my beauty room. I've been decorating, and this is actually like hardcore. Is this a mirror? I think it's like a mirror. Does it have some kind of like audio in it? I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, but anyways, here's what the packaging looks like. And then you open it up. Come on, open back up. Okay, there we go. And here it is. So it says, never fake it. It has this little mirror in the PR package. The mascara looks so awesome. Here's what it looks like. I'm not going to open up the inside because I want to do a first impressions tutorial on it. But it says Nars on the front and then CLIMAX on the back. And it's very lightweight, even though it looks like it would be heavy. So I'm very excited. I can't wait to see what other launches Nars comes out with for the fall and winter 2018. So thank you so much to Nars for that package. Next package we have came from Jouer. And I think this might be their new launches. Jouer coming through with the best bubble wrap of the year award. Ooh, so it says Jouer Rose Gold Collection. I love this packaging. And you guys, I'm so sad because I don't know why, but for some reason I did not order that big travel makeup carrying case from Jouer when they came out with the Jet Set collection, and I regret it every single day. I cannot find it anywhere. If you know anybody selling theirs, holler at your girl. But anyways, it says available 8/28, Jouer.com, and 9/11 on Sephora. Also, congratulations to Jouer because they are now sold in Sephora. So if there's anything that you guys have been wanting to try, definitely put it on your list. So let's see here. Ooh, these are so pretty. So here is what the collection looks like. And I'm going to be honest, I'm not going to swatch a lot of stuff today. I'm going to show it to you guys just because we have so much to go through. But stay tuned. It will be in a first impressions. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is a blush. This almost looks like a pinky highlight shade right here. The shade here is the Rose Gold Blush Duo. That is the name of it. And then we have an eyeshadow palette, which I'm really excited about this because these colors look right up my alley. Here is a close-up. Then we have the Rose Gold highlighter. I don't think this is new. I think they have already had a Rose Gold highlighter if I'm not mistaken. And then we have 4 different lip toppers or lip creams. We have a lip gloss, a lip topper, a lip cream, and then a lip topper. 2 of these are new, and then 2 of these are in their current collection. So these 2 are ones that are not new, and then these 2 are new ones. Hopefully you guys can see those shades. Yes, there you go. I'm like, please don't let this stuff fall. There we go for those shades. So thank you so much to Jouer. I cannot wait to play with this. I have been debating going back and forth on doing like 2 Fridays a month and calling them First Impression Fridays. and doing my actual tutorials, because I feel like if I don't set a schedule on actually doing the first impression makeup tutorials, I get like in a rut and I forget to do them and I keep putting them off, and then I have all this makeup build up that I haven't tried because I just genuinely want to test it out for you guys on camera. And so I wait and wait and wait, and then it's too late. So I think I'm gonna start doing that. Maybe like the first and third Friday of the month or something, or just maybe not on that kind of schedule, but have it just twice a month where I sit down and do those videos. I honestly have just been like running around like crazy. I cleaned out the entire house the other week. I mean, absolutely got rid of so much stuff, and it's just been nuts around here. So yeah, thank you so much to Jouer for that package. I cannot wait to test those products. Okay, next package came from MAC. Ooh, this is the new MAC Patrick Star collection. I did not know that Patrick was coming out with another collection. I feel like this one I'm probably the least excited about. Maybe only due to the colors and because we're getting into more fall vibes, and I will swatch it. Here's what the package looks like. Oh, but I feel like the collections that Patrick has come out with have been absolutely amazing. They're honestly some of my favorite items from MAC Cosmetics. So it says MAC Patrick Star hashtag, and let me cut this bow off. So I don't know if there's more than one collection coming out. So here's the packaging. Again, this one is not my favorite collection as far as like the aesthetics of it. Here is what the eyeshadows look like right here. So very like fall type vibes. You have a army green, you have like a dark purple, a purple shimmer, and then basically like your mauve matte shade. And then you have the lipstick, which is actually a really, really pretty color. It is a nude shade, and this is called Ultimate Diva. I really like this. It kind of goes with my look today, so I'm going to try it on. Let's see what it looks like. I hope it looks good. Oh, a little darker than I thought. I kind of missing the nude I had on. Oh, look at that on teeth. So actually, it still goes with this look that I have on, but again, I don't think that I love it as much as the other ones. I feel like this isn't as big of a collection, so let's see what they have. So kit 1 has 4 eyeshadows and a liquid lipstick, and the other one's 4 eyeshadows and a liquid lipstick. Well, they actually retail for $21. So to me, that is a really, really good price. So I'm just so excited for Patrick Star. It would be great if they came out with a collection every couple of months, because I've loved everything that I got. And this liquid lipstick's actually drying down really fast. Feels really, really comfortable. So thank you so much for MAC for that package. Let me know what you think. What has been your favorite MAC Patrick Star collection? I really like the first one that was like the flowery one, and I love the summer one too. So I really like both of them. Okay, next package we have came from Pharmacy Beauty. So here's what the packaging looks like. It's nice and blue. Oh my gosh, are these not so freaking cute? And it says Flight 001, almost like, I don't know, these are supposed to be for when you're in flight. That is so cute. Da-da-da. Okay, and they even came with like a little bag and everything. Thank y'all so much. I love cute stuff like this. Okay, so it says Pharmacy Honeymoon Hotel. Super cute. So it says Honeymoon Glow, no wedding required. Thank you so much. Wake up to dramatically smoother, more radiant skin with our new Honeymoon Glow Resurfacing Night Serum. You look like you just stepped off of your private jet. Fresh from an exotic vacation, this multi-correctional night serum resurfaces the skin while you sleep for a glowing, youthful looking complexion. No wedding, no passport, no bad tan lines required. So freaking cute. I'm excited. I love Pharmacy products. I love the brand in general, and a lot of the products I've tried I've really liked. But here's what the packaging looks like. It has the little honeybee comb, which is so cute. Let's open it up. I think I have a hard time opening their products though. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It's like a yellowish type serum. So yeah, here's what that looks like right here. And thank you so much for that package. Okay, next package is something I just have to go ahead and open because it's been sitting here for too long. I ordered this off of JeffreeStarCosmetics.com, and I've been dying to get my hands on it, and I finally broke down and got it. The reason I didn't get it the first time is because I was hoping that that Jouer bag would come back, but I really just wanted something cute for traveling that would hold a lot of makeup. Ooh, yes, it's a big size. So first off, it came with this Jeffree Star Cosmetics Summer of 2018. This is actually like really nice, like material wise. And then it has the Thirsty palette, which I actually already own. And I ended up getting the big pink cosmetics case. Look at this. This is humongous. Let me try to put up something that you guys know the size of. Like, here's the Neutrogena makeup wipes. Like, this is a big case. Oh my gosh, it feels like such good quality. It has like a little mess up right here, but that's okay. So it has Jeffree Star on the front. It is one of the bags that you kind of like, I don't know, like the old school cosmetic bags. Not that these are old school, but y'all know what I mean. So it has something to hold its shape. So I feel like it's not going to hold its shape as much when I take this out. Yeah, it kind of falls down a little bit, but don't worry. I'm sure I'll have it filled to the top. So it has these little pockets right here where you can put stuff in. And then it has lots of room right here for, I don't know, maybe lip glosses or something. This is super cute. It's pink, and it was just something that I really wanted. So there's a lot of stuff I really wanted recently. You'll see that in the haul. But very, very excited to try this out. So thank you to my bank account. I always laugh because I said that in one video because I get so used to like thanking brands because I always want to make sure they know how appreciative I am. And I was like, oh, this isn't from somebody, it's from myself. So thank you to me. So I'm excited about that. And I'm excited to see all the stuff Jeffree Star's coming out with. But I still wish that Jouer would restock that case. Next package we have came from Glam Glow. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it says Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. And it comes in this super cute box. And let's see what they sent over. Here it is. So it says Hello Sexy. And it has, oh my gosh, three different products. So it has the clearing treatment, the mask in a big size. They sent me a little mini for traveling. And they also sent over a cleanser. No, wait, is this a cleanser? No, this is a mask too. Am I crazy? Did they come out with something different? Let me open this. Oh, it's a mega size. Oh, dang. So they sent 3 different sizes. That's so cute. Thank you so much to Glam Glow. I do love this mask. It is the one that is like a clay mask and it turns like, I think it kind of even turns a little bit different colors based on where your problems are. Next package we have is from CoverGirl. Okay, so here is what the package looks like. It has these like leaves on it. Oh my gosh, so cute. It says, I am what I make up. Ooh, and then it has these 2 different mascaras. So it says Flourish by Lash Blast Mascara. The ingredients like papaya, avocado, and coconut oil. And this one is an amplifier primer. It is a conditioning formula with argan, jojoba, and coconut. Super cute. Can't wait to try. The packaging that companies come up with is literally so freaking cute. Like, I live for it. It says it's available in 4 shades. So, very exciting. Thank you so much to CoverGirl for that package. Next package we have is the Beauty Essentials box, which I always enjoy so much. So, thank y'all for this package. I cannot wait to see what is in this one. Okay, this is a heavy box too. So here's what it looks like when you open it up, and it has their little symbol on it. So let's see what we got. It says, don't go another day without these must-have beauty essentials. Ooh, I see bioderma, which is my favorite. So this is the bioderma. This is a makeup remover, which I love. Putting that one to the side so I can take it up front. We have a split ends treatment. Ooh, we have another bioderma product. This is a shine control moisturizer. I did not realize that they had this. We have the Babe Lash Eyelash Serum. We have, ooh. Don't y'all love when I get excited but y'all can't see yet because I'm about to surprise you? This is a Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask by Purlisse. I did not know that they had this. I love watermelon. I'm excited to try this out, especially because it's a sheet mask. So that's going with me tonight when I take off my makeup. We have the Patchology Restoring Night Eye Gels, which are amazing. I've actually tried these before. We have a cuticle oil. We have a Yes to Tomatoes. What? It says clear skin for breakout prone skin. This is a detoxifying charcoal snap mask stick. I don't know what that means, but I'm excited about it. We have a Divine Shine Baked Glossy Highlighter and Glow from Sienna. And then last but not least, we have this Waterline Eyeliner. So thank you so much to Beauty Essentials. Y'all's boxes are always so awesome. Okay, next box we have came from Allure, the Allure Beauty Box. Okay, so this one, here's who I think designed the box. And let's see what it has. So, ooh, we have a $30 off your next order from a watch company. We have this shampoo and conditioner from Nexus for damaged healing. This would be good to put in my travel bag. We have, ooh, Larizzi Cosmetics, Light Stick Illuminator. I did not know that they even had this because I love Larizzi. We have a Caudalie. I don't know why I was looking at this. I'm like, how do you say this? I had like a mind blank. This is the Cream Sorbet Moisturizer. And then we have the Lange Sleeping Mask and an Ico eyeliner. This is an awesome box too. Gosh, these boxes are so awesome. Thank y'all so much to Allure Beauty for that package. Do we want to open one more? What do we want to do? Yes, we do. Okay, so Essence Makeup sent over the freaking cutest package. They always send over such cute stuff. So the first thing that it had in it, well, actually the first thing was a box of chocolates, which RIP, I cannot show you. I ate them all. But then they have these cute little butterfly wings, and they're like real wings. I'm gonna show you. Like, you can put them on. I'm just gonna do the rest of the video in these. They sent that over. They sent over this awesome Bonic, I believe is how you say it. This is like a little microphone that you can do karaoke with. It fell out the other side because I just took it out the other day. And it has like where you can play music through it. It has like different volumes. Is that not fancy? I think I need batteries for it. No, you have to charge it. Hello? Testing. Oh, hello? Hello, hello. Hello. Ooh. Hey. Thank you, Essence. I have the echo on it. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, I could do this all night. I need to turn it off or I'm going to be preoccupied. Thank y'all so much. This is so cute. And it comes in a super cute case too, like hardcore case. Okay, let's see what else is in this. They sent over a huge box of stuff. Next thing that they sent over, which some of these actually came out, but they have fairy dust, which is like this glitter, which is beautiful. And then they sent over, oh, now I get it. Fairy wings, duh. Okay, then they sent over 3 different palettes. So the first palette is the Fairy Wings Magical Things. Oh, these are actually double-sided. That is freaking awesome. Okay, if you guys want a first impressions video on these, let me know. I know this video is probably going to be so long. Oh my gosh, they're all double-sided. Okay, here's the next one. It's the I'm With The Band eyeshadow palette. These look super cute, and I'm not sure the exact price on them, but Essence is a really, really affordable. I always say this in all the videos that I talk to you guys about them. They have a really, really good eyebrow gel that I love. Oh, this one is my one. Look at those beautiful colors. These are very, very fall appropriate. Hopefully you guys can see without the glare. Very fall appropriate. So if you guys want to see these, maybe in like a drugstore first impression video, leave me a comment down below. Put a butterfly in it. Okay, I love you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you again to Essence and all the other amazing brands that sent packages over for me to try out. I am forever grateful, and I'm going to be putting all these to use in upcoming First Impression Fridays. Don't you like it? Mail Haul Mondays, First Impressions Fridays. What are we going to do with Wednesday? Will I like it? Review Wednesday. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. Okay, I love you guys. I'm going to stop rambling. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.